Hello friends, welcome back to Zeco Inspection Technology. I am Shrikant Deshpande and this is part 3 of our ISO 9001-2015 series on quality management system requirements. In this video, we will focus on clause 5 leadership, which is the driving force behind an effective QMS. In any organization, no system can succeed without strong leadership and clear direction from the top management. We will understand how leadership ensures commitment, defines quality policy, and assigns roles and responsibilities. This clause transforms quality from a documentation exercise into a culture across the organization. So let's begin and explore how leadership makes the quality management system truly effective. Basically, clause 5 of ISO 9001 focuses on leadership, the backbone of an effective quality management system. It is divided into three key parts: leadership and commitment, quality policy, and organizational roles and responsibilities. Top management is expected to lead from the front, set clear directions through policy, and define responsibilities across the organization. This clause ensures that quality is not just a system but a leadership driven culture. In the next section, let's understand each of these sub clauses in details. Have you ever wondered why some organizations consistently deliver quality while other struggles? The answer lies in the leadership. To make QMS effective, ISO 9001 clause 5.1.1 makes it very clear that leadership is the driving force behind an effective quality management system. Top management must take full accountability for the system's performance, not delegate it, but they should own it. They must align quality policy and objectives with the organization's strategic directions and integrate QMS into daily business processes. Leaders must promote process approach and risk based thinking while ensuring all necessary resources are available with them. Top management need to actively communicate the importance of quality, engage people, and guide them towards the achieving results. And most importantly, they must continuously drive improvement and inspire leadership at every level of organization. Customer focus is not just a requirement, it is the heartbeat of every successful organization. To achieve this, ISO 9001 clause 5.1.2 clearly puts the responsibility on top management to lead with a strong customer first mindset. Basically, they have given importance for the customer first and customer satisfaction. Leaders must ensure that customer requirements along with all statutory and regulatory needs are clearly understood and consistently met. Top management must also identify risks and opportunities that can impact product quality and customer satisfaction and act on them proactively. This is not a one time activity but a continuous effort to improve and adapt. The ultimate goal is very simple: to enhance customer satisfaction at every stage. Because when the customer is satisfied, the organization grows stronger, more trusted, and more competitive. A strong organization always begins with a strong foundation, and that foundation is the quality policy. To make strong foundation, ISO 9001 clause 5.2.1 requires top management to not just create but to implement and maintain a meaningful quality policy. This policy must align with the organization's purpose, its context, and its long term strategic decisions. Basically, it should act as a guiding framework for setting clear and measurable quality objectives. Leadership must demonstrate commitment to meeting all applicable requirements, not as a formality but as a core value. In today's scenario, many of the companies they are just implementing ISO as a formality, and this actually is not correct in terms of functioning of this QMS system. And most importantly, the policy must drive a culture of continual improvement across the organization, because when the quality policy is strong and alive, the entire quality management system becomes effective and result oriented. Having a quality policy is not enough. Communicating it effectively is what truly makes the difference. Therefore, ISO 9001 clause 5.2.2 emphasizes that the quality policy must be documented, controlled, and easily accessible. But more importantly, it should not just be displayed on the walls, it must be understood and applied in the daily work. Every employee should know how their role contributes to the organization's quality objectives. Top management must ensure that the policy is clearly communicated across all levels in a simple and meaningful ways. Generally, top management or their representatives they arrange some trainings or email communications or internal memos so that these policies are circulated among all the employees. If there are some revisions in the quality policies, they circulate everywhere in the employees to understand the necessary changes. It should also be available to relevant interested parties, building transparency and trust. Because a well communicated quality policy is not just a statement, it becomes the culture of the organization. Leadership is not just about giving directions, it's about creating clarity, accountability, and trust across the whole organization. In ISO 9001 clause 5.3, top management plays a crucial role in defining who does what and who is responsible for the results. Every role must be clearly assigned, effectively communicated, and fully understood within the employees with no confusion and no assumptions. Top management must ensure that the quality management system is not just documented but actually it is working and delivering the required results. They are responsible for monitoring performance, driving improvements, and keeping the system aligned with the business goals. A stronger customer focus must be promoted at every level of organization, because quality ultimately means the customer satisfaction. And most importantly, even during the changes, leadership must protect the integrity of the QMS, because consistency builds trust. Thank you guys for watching this video on important clause 5 leadership. I hope this session helped you clearly understand the importance of leadership in an effective quality management system. So if you found this useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Zeco Inspection Technology for more practical insights on ISO 9001. In the next part, we will continue our journey into the next clause in details. Until then, keep learning, keep improving and keep focusing on quality. Thank you again.